various financial products, and I can tell you very frankly, I've interacted with many of the young CAs. They are very, very happy with the kind of profile of job what they're doing. So what I mean to say is that in India, there are a lot of opportunities for the chartered accountants, both in the traditional sectors and in the new generation sectors. And we at the Institute are trying to see how best we're able to see that every sector of the economy employs chartered accountants. Coming to overseas, again, when you go around the world, our Indian CAs are in great demand. When I qualified in 1990, hardly there were any professional opportunities abroad. Today you go to the Gulf region, you go to Dubai, there are more than 2,000 CAs. You go to Abu Dhabi, there are more than 1,200 CAs. Go to Muscat, about 600 CAs. Doha, Bahrain, plenty of opportunities for young CAs in the Gulf countries. Of course, Gulf country there's no taxes, so entire income is tax free, and you get 3 times the package what you can get in India. Then you go to the other happening destination, that is Australia. Australia, everyone is keen to go to Australia because of it's an excellent, nice country, good pay packages. You go to Brisbane, you go to Sydney, you go to Melbourne, where we have our chapters. There are more than 1,000 CAs working in Australia. Banking sector, insurance sector, and pension sector appoints a lot of CAs in Australia. Again, attractive salaries, but the rate of tax is very high. You come to Canada. Recently opened a chapter in Vancouver. We have a chapter in Toronto. Again, a lot of CAs are working in Canada. Then come closer to India, Singapore. Singapore is where a lot of foreign investments are coming to India. We find that more than 2,000 CAs are working in Singapore. So what I need to say is that today there are plenty of opportunities for each one of you. If you want to take up a global career, yes, you can choose between various destinations, and then you can decide if you want to go to Africa, whether you want to go to America, whether you want to go to Australia, whether you want to go to Canada. You can just pack your bags and go there. And let me tell you, our Indian chartered accountants are respected very well around the world. I had the opportunity of meeting the CEO of plenty in India and outside India. Quickly coming to the social recognition. Today, the moment you qualify as a chartered accountant, the entire society respects you. Everyone around you looks with great respect. Your parents are proud to say, my son is a chartered accountant, my daughter is a chartered accountant. Even your friends would be happy to have you as your friend. But one thing, friends, there's a lot of responsibility that has been cast on us by the society, by the regulators. A lot of expectations are there. My only request to each one of you present here is that it's a great profession you have joined. Case studies are very important. Students who are preparing for the examination with the help of case studies can solve the papers very easily. Case studies are case studies on all the subjects. We give you case studies. So please focus on case studies. Number 5, less of social media, WhatsApp, Facebook. Yes, I'm aware, we never had all that. We never had a single phone also. Today all of you carry the latest gadgets, and today even to make a call at home, we used to take the permission of our parents. And I'm talking about 85, 86, can I make a call to my friend? But today all of you are extremely lucky thanks to internet. Information is available at the press of a button. Only request to each one of you is that use less of social media. Don't get, grossly engrossed with all your social media activities. Keep away from social media. Tell all your good friends, 3 years ke liye tata bye bye. Be focused on your studies, and I'm sure you'll be extremely successful. Number 6, which I would request each one of you, will be hardworking. You should be passionate. You should be committed. When you mean hardworking, this course is not an ordinary course, it's a very tough professional course. You will put a lot of hard work. You should be passionate. Don't do CA just for your parents or your friends. You should have that passion within, that burning desire that will become a chartered accountant. And finally, you should have high commitment. Commitment means what? I want to get up at 6 o'clock, you have to put your alarm at 5 so you can start studying at 6. If you don't have that commitment, you will not be able to pass this examination. You need to have solid commitment in you, and only then you can pass this examination. Friends, few initiatives which we did for you this year is the Cloud Campus. 1st of July 2014 we launched the Cloud Campus. Mr. Arun Jaitley, the Honorable Finance Minister, launched it. It is one of the most, what you can say, modern interactive learning systems. I would like to compliment the Board of Studies for this initiative taken. And today all your audio lectures, video lectures, online mentoring, study materials, suggested answers, everything is available at the click of a button. Recently, one girl came and met me, my cousin's daughter, she's from Australia. She did all her education in Australia. She came to India for higher education. She took up CA. She passed her CIPCC in first attempt. She came home with a box of sweets and she said, "Uncle, I passed the CIPCC in my first attempt." I was very much surprised. And I thought a girl from Australia would find it difficult. Then I asked her, "How do you find our long distance education?" She said, "Uncle, it is very good. Especially your cloud campus, all your video lectures are excellent. I've gone through each and every video lecture." So what I need to say, friends, is that you please leverage on what is available. Today, technology and the internet connections are there at home. You should leverage on the cloud campus. We have done this exclusively for you. Number two, we have set up reading halls across the country. When I got elected as a vice president, I decided let me do something for the student community. We decided many students do not have facilities to study at home. They live in joint families or they might have one room where they might not get a calm place to study. I decided why don't we set up reading rooms. We went to the council gave us an approval. I'm extremely happy to tell you that we have more than 100 reading halls across the country today. Students can come to the institute and prepare for the examination because you need to have solid concentration. And this project, our reading room project, was selected in the World Congress of Accountants in Rome, conducted last month, and it was showcased in the project gallery. The entire international community is excited with this reading room project what the institute has taken up. This has been done just for all of you, so that in case you do not have facilities at home, you can come to the institute and prepare. And I'm very happy that our chairman set up 2 reading halls in Delhi. And I had the occasion to inaugurate both of them, and we would like to create more and more facilities for all of you. Number 3, CA curriculum. We will have a new curriculum that will be modern, that will be global. But don't worry, it will not be applicable to you. You will all be in the old system. We will give you sufficient time for you to pass this examination in the existing system. The new curriculum we are planning to launch in 2016, and that will be applicable to the new students who are registering. So if you have a fear in your mind that new curriculum is coming and you need to complete fast, don't bother. We'll give you sufficient time for you to complete this course in the existing scheme. Then coming to the facilities what we are providing to you. For the differently abled students, we have provided scribes at all the locations, about 25 locations. You can view your examination paper online. You may apply for a copy of the paper. You have an option of selecting online. That will give you a user ID, password. You can see how you are performing in the examinations. And very frankly, I can tell you, friends, that when we go through the answer scripts, we find that the students' handwriting is not good, their presentation skills are poor, they're not able to articulate well. Absolutely essential for you to keep all this in mind. Take your articulation training seriously, very, very important. Don't think you're doing a favor to your principal. 3 years is when you learn so many things. Articulation training is very important. You get to know how to be effective in your career. Number 2, GMCS, communication skills. Friends, the moment you get a degree, you get a job, but if you have to perform well, if you have to survive, you need to have good communication skills, good team building skills, good leadership skills. You might be invited, like how I'm invited today, to speak to an audience. If you have good communication skills, people will respect you. You will be known in the organization. You might have to make presentations to the board. GMCS will give you this advantage of having good communication skills. And last is technology training. Today everything is on the internet. You can book your air tickets on the internet. All the companies are migrating to cloud. So you need to have the knowledge of technology. Don't think 100 hours activity training has been done just for the sake of it. Students who do it smartly will be more finally very useful when they perform, in their serve in their careers. 3 things which I'll tell you. Good news for all of you. Stipend. The council has decided to double the stipend. Very shortly, maybe in the next 1 week, you will have a mail sent to you or SMS sent to you with the stipend is double. It is with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We just hope that it comes as a New Year gift to all of you. I'm sure I've been listening to some of my friends who are from Delhi, and they say our student friends in Delhi spend a lot of money on movies, entertainment, everything, and this stipend is not adequate. Friends, this stipend what we're giving you is just to defray your costs of going for a practical training. It's not a salary. So we are trying our best to see how best we can help you. Number 2, examination fear. If you have examination fear, first thing you need to do is get out of this examination fear. Examination fear will not help you at all. An examination fear will come only if you're not prepared properly or not put in hard work. Lastly, poor. So you don't bother about the pass percentage. The only positive thing I can tell you is that it is one of the finest professional course. Every member sitting on the dais would agree with me today the kind of recognition we get as a chartered accountant is immense. And I think we would want each one of you to have the same privilege in life. The joy of being a chartered accountant, every day to live with this joy. And I'm sure all the students present here in this beautiful auditorium will become successful chartered accountants. My good luck to each one of you. And as the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, I would look forward for your suggestions. We are always there to support you. And I once again congratulate all the students present here for having chosen this course and wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your knowledgeable words. And friends, I like में गांडीव गधा आने दे अर्जुन भीमवीर। ध्यान दीजिएगा दोस्तों, लौटा हमें गांडीव गधा आने दे अर्जुन भीमवीर। कह दो शंकर से आज करें, कह दो शंकर से आज करें तांडव नृत्य फिर एक बार। चहु दिशा हुंकार उठे, हो हर हर बम की जय जयकार, हो हर हर बम की जय जयकार।
तो तैयार BOS का परिवार। I would like to invite Shri Vijay Kapoor, Chairman BOS.
Give him a big round of applause.
The bouquet and the memento with the shawl to our President, Shri K. Raghu.
अजय थोड़ा साइड।
The shawls are presented by NICASA Chairman and NIRC Chairman.
अरे तो सुनता नहीं सर। इधर इधर इधर
I would like to congratulate the team NIRC for organizing this wonderful program. My dear student friends, I think you were very fortunate when you happened to hear Professor Subramanian Swamy. In fact, most of you will not be aware that he was the youngest professor appointed at the Harvard School. He became professor at the age of 24 in Chinese economy at the Harvard School of Economics. Had he continued to be in the pure academics, I think he would have won a lot of money through his profession. But he decided that he wishes to cherish his own desires. And please remember, a true professional is one who wishes to do what he likes. Professor Swamy shifted his profession completely and went into politics. We need to learn from both. Today we claim that we have 250,000 chartered accountants. and 8,50,000 active students. So quantitatively speaking, we are the second largest accountancy body in the world. As far as students number is concerned, quantitatively we are the first accountancy body in the world. But my friends, I am not satisfied with that quantitative number. What I say, qualitatively we are best in the world. I can only assure you, my friends sitting over here, that no accountancy body in the world does so much of hand-holding for the students what the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is doing for the students. Look at the fact. I think you must take pride in the fact that you are pursuing a course, I think President did tell several times, you are pursuing a course in which you must take the pride that you are not doing a course which is only meant for select few. Professor Swami gave an example of IIM Ahmedabad where only 1%, 0.001% of the students reach to the Ahmedabad. Here, this is a course which is not meant for elite. It is meant for the general masses of this country, Just paying 30 to 35,000 rupees, you can do this entire course. There is no other course in this country or the world which can be done with this kind of amount of money. Why I say qualitatively we are the best? Look at the efforts which are done by the institute. We give you study material, we give you practice manual. Of course, it becomes so heavy, so people don't open the study material. So the president has to remind all of you again that you must read the practice manual and study material, But the fact is that we give you practice manual, study material, we give you e-learning lectures, video lectures, mock test papers, revisionary test papers. So much of the things are being given. So qualitatively we are the best. Another thing which I need to remind to all of you again, because our heart also sinks every time in January and July when the results are declared. Now, this is a very tough time. But I wish to remind all of you, I have always felt that this examination system of the institute is one of the most credible systems in this country. Why do I say so? Today, media is very active. There is a lot of transparency in this entire country. So many TV channels are there. Newspapers are there. In last 65 years, if anybody can tell me any kind of story appearing in any part of the media where this would have been stated that institute compromised as far as the declaration of results are concerned. Friends, not even a single story I have come across. Out of his 30 years I've spent in this institute, you must take pride in the fact and that what kind of examination system, a little subjective, but it is a wonderful system, a very credible system has been maintained by the institute. So you must be very happy about it, that today chartered accountants are highly respected because of the quality which it has been able to maintain throughout these years. Finally, before I go, I think I will talk to you tomorrow again. If you look at the logo of the ICAI, there is an eagle which appears at the center. You need to learn certain things from it. Eagle is one part. I think every one of us need to learn certain things from the nature. Look at this eagle. What does this eagle convey? It conveys, number one, look at the eagle. As an eagle, if you look at it, it focuses on its prey from a distance from 5 kilometers. It tells all of us that we must be able to fix eyes on our goals from a long distance. So as soon as we join the course from class 12, our focus is there that one has to become a chartered accountant, Work with that focus. Look at the eagle. It never eats a dead prey. It never eats a dead prey or dead animal. As a chartered accountancy students, never try to get an information which is obsolete and stale. Always try to live on the fresh information. So must try to read the new Companies Act, must try to read the new Finance Act, must try to read the new GSTA, must try to read the as and when the syllabus changes. Act like an eagle. Third, eagle has a quality that when there is a high storm, it, with its wings, it glides in that storm. It accepts challenges. As a good student, you must be also accept those challenges. Finally, I will tell you a very wonderful quality of eagle. Please listen to it carefully. Eagle has a quality, before trusting anybody, it tests. The quality of an eagle is that any female eagle will not allow mating with a male eagle unless it tests the male eagle. As a nature, female eagle will take a twig, a branch of a tree, go high in the sky, and that twig will fall. Male eagle has to catch that twig and bring it back to the female eagle, you know. And female eagle doesn't do it once, it does at least minimum 5 to 7 times. So in your life, you should not trust anybody before testing, you know. Try to learn certain things. Finally, I would like to leave on a message, and this message that I always give to all of you. 3 things never return in life. Number 1, opportunities which comes in your way, avail those opportunities. If you don't have any regrets about it. Number 2, words which you utter. Please remember, once you utter a bad word, it shall never come back to you. So you should be careful in using the words. Finally, a moment which is lost, time which is lost, shall never return. I think you should be able to respect the time, enjoy every moment of your life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
NIRC के अभिन्न अंग हमारे सेंट्रल काउंसिल मेंबर्स जिनके मार्गदर्शन के बिना हमारा सफर अधूरा है. Now, I'd like to call upon the stage CA Naveen N.D. Gupta ji to come on the dais and present his views. Please, sir.
Respected my colleague in the council, Praful Chhaja ji, Director Board of Studies, Vijay Kapoor ji, my colleagues in Regional Council, friend Thakur ji, and future of our profession, all of you. Very good morning to all of you, and I welcome on behalf of the Institute all of you to this your student conference. The theme is Indian economy in the current scenario, global leaders. It's very apt in today's scenario. I am not here to give you any bhashan or because you all are very wise. I always believe that thing. But while I was coming inside, I met one very proud future chartered accountant, I should say. And while I got opportunity to talk to him, he raised one question to me that he is very confused. What to do? In 6 months from today, he may become a chartered accountant. So I said, sir, I really envy you that you are confused. So he said, sir, मैं confused हूँ, आप खुश हो रहे हो, कह रहे हो कि आपको मेरे से जलन हो रही है, I am confused. मैंने कहा, yes, when I qualified in 1996, we had nothing to be confused. Routes used to be very simple, straightforward. There were no options available for us to be confused. 90% of us who used to qualify at that time used to go into practice. 5 to 10% had option only to go into employment. And as far as 90% of those who go into practice were only also had no other option was to practice either taxation or few used to practice corporate finance. So that means if you are confused, confusion means you have a lot of options. So that's what makes me really envy all of you. You are really proud. You should be really proud that you are becoming chartered accountant at that point of a time when Indian economy is really looking up and the world is looking at us, and you have all great options available to you. You are truly made in India but made for the world. The entire world is available to you to go and conquer it. Now, as far as options are concerned, because today is the time when we are really celebrating our profession. This is time when we celebrate, we don't talk about एजुकेशन पढ़ाई लिखाई की कोई बात नहीं करते हैं, तो आई लाइक टू शेयर 2 एक्सपीरियंस ऑन दीज ऑप्शंस. वन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस which I happen to have, and I had first-hand experience of listening what industry feels about us as far as industry is concerned, members in industry is concerned, and what industry and feels about us, about members who happen to be in small and medium enterprises or small and medium practitioners, what industry really feels about. I happen to be attending one of the audit committee meetings of one of the very large corporates, I can say among the top 5 corporates in the country. There we were having a discussion in the boardroom, in the audit committee meeting, and one of the very large management consulting company was complaining, sir, you always, the CMD of the company happened to be there, and they were complaining, you always praise the small and medium practitioners. We happen to be small and medium practitioners. Their internal audit report you always praise, whereas we always come out with our management reports. You find out some weaknesses, some deficiency in our report. So just to make the point reach home, the CMD narrated him a story. I'd just like to share it with you. He said that there used to be a biscuit manufacturing company who came out with a new product that was biscuits for dogs. And for launching that product, they come out with very nice packing, very nice model. They had to do advertisements, print advertisements, TV, radio, everything. And ultimately, because of that result, the entire lot, first batch of biscuits they manufactured for the dogs was a sold out. But after a few days, the entire batch went into, it was found that although the packing was liked by the dog owners, model was much appreciated, but ultimately dog did an MBA. What is that difference? The chartered accountant believes in substance, whereas other professionals MBA believes in only form. So that is where industry looks upon us, and we should not forget that thing. And I would like to share on that point also that there is a difference between knowledge. Knowledge basically depreciates with time and wisdom appreciates with time. Knowledge you get by reading the books, wisdom you get by observing others doing the work, and that is what is our profession stands for. We have a unique concept known as articleship training, and our profession is built upon that we observe our seniors. We work in a team, we observe teams doing work, and on experience that we get over the period of time. That is what our profession stands for, and that ultimately makes us stand apart, and that leads to substance over form. So that highlights the importance of articleship training that we should focus on. Most of the time I get questioned on this, that why we focus so much on articleship training rather than reading and bookish knowledge. That is basically a unique proposition as far as our profession stands for. Now I started that I will also share my experience as far as what industry feels about our members in industry. Once I got an opportunity to have a personal interaction with Mr. Mukesh Ambani, so there I put up this question to him, what he feels about our members. He hires so many chartered accountants in his organization, what he basically feels about our profession. So he shared at that point of time that we have great regard for chartered accountants, and since the time of my father, Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, we have absolutely 100% confidence that there is no other professional which even can come closer to what chartered accountants can render in industry. And because of that reason, he made a disclosure to me. Manufacturing head, he said that you go across our industry parallels, you will find. I put up this question to him that it is not the question that he needs to, our departmental head needs to have core competence or core mental head, that what it will contribute to the bottom line and top line of the company. Once that decision is wise, considered wise for the top line and bottom line, then we can have, for the purpose of implementation of that decision, we can have people down the line to do that. So that is the expectation of the industry from our members. That is what is expected from you, and that also I would like to say that can be gained by if we are doing rigorous, good articleship training. And articleship training doesn't mean just we are there to do vouching. Whatever we learn, if we see good teams, good organization, people working, we work and we learn, because observing makes us wise. That is what industry looks upon us, and that is what is required from us. For being successful in any activity that we do, we need to be taking care of 5